Welcome to this week's roundup of the top trending open-source large language models. Today, we're diving into groundbreaking AI models that are not only reshaping the landscape of creative and technical fields, but are also accessible for experimentation and development, thanks to their open-source nature. From ByteDance's lightning-fast text-to-image generator to Google's versatile Gemma 7b, we're showcasing models that stand out for their impressive capabilities and commitment to fostering innovation. Let's explore how these AI marvels can unleash your inner artist, enhance multilingual communication, and even assist with your coding projects, all available on the collaborative platform of Hugging Face. Stay tuned to discover which models are making waves and how you can leverage them in your own projects. Model number 1, SDXL-Lightning, unleashing your inner artist with text-to-image AI. Let's dive into the world of SDXL-Lightning, a cool model created by ByteDance that's like a magic paintbrush for your computer. Ever had a crazy or beautiful image in your mind that you wished you could bring to life? Well, SDXL-Lightning is here to do just that. You just need to describe what you're imagining using words, like a dragon flying over a rainbow, and SDXL-Lightning will create an image out of your description. Pretty awesome, right? One of the best things about SDXL-Lightning is how fast it works. While some tools take their sweet time to create your image, SDXL-Lightning does it super quickly. Plus, the images it makes are really clear and detailed, which is great whether you're just playing around or need an image for a project. This model isn't just for a select few, it's open source. That means anyone interested can use it, play around with it, or even make it better. It's available on a platform called Hugging Face, which is like a playground for people who love AI and want to share their creations. Now, SDXL-Lightning isn't perfect yet, especially the simplest version of it. The images from the one-step model might not be as detailed as those from the more advanced versions, but that's okay, because it's still under development, which means it's only going to get better with time. Also, SDXL-Lightning is built on top of another project called Stable Diffusion. This is cool because it means SDXL-Lightning is standing on the shoulders of giants, benefiting from what's already been built. However, this also means that if there are big changes in how text-to-image AI works in the future, SDXL-Lightning might need some tweaks to stay up to date. To wrap it up, SDXL-Lightning is like having a super powerful, artistic AI assistant at your fingertips. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration, a creative mind exploring concepts, or just someone who loves seeing their ideas come to life, SDXL-Lightning has got you covered. And as it grows and improves, who knows what amazing images it will be able to create next. Model number 2, Gemma 7b, your AI guide for language wonders. Imagine having a friend who's really good at languages, can summarize books for you, and even help you with your homework. That's what Gemma 7b by Google is like, but in AI form. It's a special tool that understands and uses language in amazing ways, and it's available for everyone to try on a platform called Hugging Face. Gemma 7b is like a superhero of language tasks. It can chat, summarize long articles, and even think through problems you give it. This makes it super helpful for students, researchers, or anyone curious about using AI for language stuff. One of the coolest things about Gemma 7b is that it's made to be easy for anyone to use, even if you don't have a fancy computer. This means more people can explore what it's like to work with an AI that understands language, opening up all kinds of fun and useful possibilities. Being open source, which means anyone can check out how it works and add their own improvements. Gemma 7b is part of a big, friendly community of AI enthusiasts on Hugging Face. This spirit of sharing and collaboration can lead to even more amazing developments in how AI can help us with languages. But since Gemma 7b is still pretty new, there might not be as many guides or examples out there compared to older models. Also, while it's great at lots of language tasks, it might need a bit of customization, like a personal touch, to do really specific jobs perfectly. And, like with all AI, it's important to remember that Gemma 7b's advice or answers come from what it's learned from data, which might not always be perfect. Google is working hard to make sure Gemma 7b is used responsibly and safely, but it's something to keep in mind when playing around with it. In summary, Gemma 7b is like a doorway to exploring the power of AI in understanding and using language. Whether you're looking to learn, create, or just satisfy your curiosity, Gemma 7b offers a glimpse into the future of how we interact with machines. And as more people contribute to its growth, it's only going to get smarter and more helpful. Model number 3, TripoSR. Create your single image to 3D object. TripoSR stands as a revolutionary tool in the transition from 2D to 3D imagery, fundamentally altering how we perceive and interact with digital representations. At its core, TripoSR, developed by Stability AI and available on Hugging Face, is an AI model designed to swiftly convert standard 2D images into comprehensive 3D models. This process, known for its remarkable speed, typically concludes in less than half a second, offering an efficient alternative to traditional, time-consuming 3D modeling techniques. The secret behind TripoSR's efficiency lies in its use of lightweight raster matching, LRM, a refined deep learning architecture. This method meticulously analyzes 2D images, identifying spatial relationships and dimensions to construct accurate 3D models. Such a technique parallels the human approach to understanding depth and form, from flat images but executes with unmatched precision and speed thanks to advanced mathematical models. TripoSR's key advantages include its rapid processing time, making real-time 3D model generation a reality, and its accessibility through the user-friendly and open-source Hugging Face platform. This openness not only democratizes 3D model generation, but also encourages ongoing innovation within the AI community by allowing researchers and developers to modify and enhance its capabilities. However, it's important to note that TripoSR, while fast, may not always capture the minute details of more intricate objects, leading to models that, although impressive, might lack in precision. Furthermore, as a burgeoning technology, TripoSR is in a state of constant development, with its accuracy and model quality continuously improving. In summary, TripoSR represents a significant leap forward in 3D modeling technology. Its blend of speed, accessibility, and potential for community-driven enhancement makes it a standout project. As it advances, we can anticipate not only improvements in the detail and accuracy of the models it produces, but also a broader impact on various industries reliant on 3D modeling. Model number 4, Whisper. Large V3, the ultimate language transformer. Whisper, Large V3, brought to us by the innovative team at OpenAI and available on Hugging Face, acts as a linguistic ninja. This advanced model takes spoken words in a variety of languages and transforms them into written text with the finesse of a skilled translator. Picture having a friend who can listen to any language and write down exactly what's said. That's Whisper Large V3 for you. What sets Whisper Large V3 apart is its ability to understand over 100 different languages. Whether it's a lecture in French, a podcast in Japanese, or a meeting in Spanish, Whisper Large V3 can transcribe it for you. It's like having a universal translator in your pocket, making it easier to learn, share, and communicate across different cultures. Trained on an enormous data set of both labeled and pseudo-labeled audio data, totaling over 680,000 hours. Whisper Large V3 has honed its ability to pick up the subtle nuances of human speech. This means it can provide high-quality transcriptions, even when the audio isn't crystal clear. Plus, it can even translate spoken words from one language to another, breaking down barriers in real-time communication. However, Whisper Large V3 isn't without its limitations. Since it processes audio in real time, you'll need a decently powerful setup to get the best results, especially for live transcription. And while it's been trained on a vast array of languages and dialects, there's always a chance it might stumble on particularly rare or heavily accented speech. Additionally, Whisper Large V3 is like a sophisticated machine with parts hidden under the hood. This means it can sometimes be a challenge to understand how it interprets certain phrases or why it makes specific transcription choices. It's a reminder that even the most advanced tools need a human touch to ensure accuracy and clarity. In essence, Whisper Large V3 is transforming the way we think about language and communication. It's not just a model for transcribing or translating. It's a bridge between cultures, making education, content creation, and everyday conversation more accessible to everyone. As we continue to improve and refine technologies like Whisper Large V3, we're moving closer to a world where language barriers no longer keep us from understanding and learning from each other. Model number 5, Mixtral 8x7b Instruct v0.1. Your precision AI text assistant. Mixtral 8x7b Instruct v0.1, developed by Mistral AI and featured on Hugging Face, is like a Swiss Army knife for text-related tasks. It's designed to take specific instructions and carry out a wide range of text manipulation and generation activities with precision. Imagine having a digital assistant that can summarize complex documents, create content based on detailed prompts, or even translate text into another language, all tailored to your exact requirements. This model shines in its ability to understand and follow through on clear, specific instructions. Need a brief summary of a dense article? Or perhaps a creative story based on a whimsical idea? Mixtral 8x7b Instruct is up to the task, providing outputs that closely align with your directives. Its performance on various benchmarks suggests it can outdo similar-sized language models, making it a strong contender for your go-to AI text assistant. However, it's worth noting that Mixtral 8x7b Instruct is still in its early stages, denoted by the v.1 in its name. This means while it's already showing promise, there's room for growth and improvement. Early users might encounter challenges with more nuanced or complex instructions, and the model's knowledge base might not be as expansive as some of the more established models out there. One of the hurdles yet to be fully addressed is ensuring the model's outputs are free from unintended biases or inaccuracies. Given its focus on following user instructions, there's a concerted effort to refine its understanding and response capabilities to minimize potential misinterpretations or errors in the generated content. Despite these initial limitations, Mixtral 8x7b Instruct presents a world of possibilities for anyone looking to leverage AI for text-based tasks. Its ability to process and generate content based on user instructions opens up new avenues for content creation, research, and even data analysis. Educators can use it to summarize key points from extensive reading materials, writers can harness it to brainstorm ideas or flesh out storylines, and businesses can employ it to analyze customer feedback or generate reports. As Mixtral 8x7b Instruct continues to evolve, it promises to become an even more indispensable tool in the AI-driven toolbox for creative and analytical text generation. Model number 6, StarCoder 2 2015b, the programmer's AI ally. StarCoder 2 2015b, developed by BigCode and featured on Hugging Face, represents a breakthrough in AI-assisted coding. Picture an AI that not only understands over 600 programming languages, but also collaborates with you on your coding projects. Whether you're debugging, writing new code, or learning a new language, StarCoder 2015b is like having a knowledgeable coding partner by your side. This model's standout feature is its extensive language understanding, making it a versatile tool for programmers working across various fields. From mainstream languages like Python and JavaScript to niche ones, StarCoder 2015b can provide code suggestions, debug existing code, and even generate new code snippets to meet your specifications. It's like having an encyclopedia of coding knowledge at your disposal, ready to help you tackle any challenge. Beyond mere code completion, StarCoder 2015b offers intelligent debugging assistance and can generate functional code blocks based on your instructions. This can significantly speed up the development process, allowing you to focus on complex problem solving rather than getting bogged down by repetitive coding tasks or elusive bugs. However, it's important to approach StarCoder 2015b with realistic expectations. While it can be an invaluable aid, it's not a silver bullet for all coding challenges. The AI-generated code should be reviewed and tested thoroughly, as the model, like any AI tool, might not always produce perfect or fully optimized code. Moreover, the complex algorithms driving StarCoder 2015b's capabilities mean that it requires substantial computational power, especially for processing intricate code analysis or generation tasks. StarCoder 2015b's broad language proficiency and coding assistance capabilities make it a powerful asset for developers. Beginners can benefit from its guidance and learn coding best practices, while experienced programmers can enhance their productivity by automating routine coding tasks. Its potential for facilitating rapid prototyping and brainstorming. New ideas can also accelerate innovation in software development. In summary, StarCoder 2015b is not just a coding model, but a partner for developers at all levels. As this model continues to improve, it promises to further revolutionize how we approach coding, making software development more efficient, accessible, and creative. Model number 7, Playground v2.5 1024px Aesthetic, your AI artistic partner. Playground v2.5, brought to you by Playground AI and hosted on Hugging Face, introduces an AI-driven creative revolution. Imagine having the ability to describe any scene in your mind and seeing it transform it into a visually stunning image. Whether it's for concept art, illustrations, or simply to bring your imagination to life, Playground v2.5 is your go-to AI artist. What sets Playground v2.5 apart is its emphasis on aesthetic quality. The model has been designed to generate images that are not just accurate to the text descriptions, but are also visually appealing. It's like having an artist who not only listens to your ideas, but also adds a touch of beauty and artistry to every creation. This makes Playground v2.5 ideal for anyone looking to produce high-quality visuals, from artists and designers to marketers wanting to create eye-catching content. Another standout feature is the model's ability to produce images in high resolution, 1024 x 1024 pixels. This means that the details in the generated images are crisp and clear, allowing for zoom-ins without losing quality. Whether you're creating art for digital platforms or print, the high-resolution output ensures that your visuals stand out in clarity and detail. Being open source, Playground V2.5 encourages community involvement. Anyone can experiment with, modify, and improve the model. This open collaboration fosters innovation and could lead to new breakthroughs in text-to-image generation technology. However, it's essential to note that Playground V2.5 is still evolving. While it excels in creating beautiful and detailed images, users might occasionally encounter limitations in the model's ability to capture highly specific or complex details from text descriptions. Moreover, leveraging the full capabilities of Playground V2.5 may require significant computational resources, particularly for generating high-resolution images. Playground V2.5 opens up a realm of possibilities for creative expression and visual content creation. Its focus on aesthetic appeal and high-resolution output makes it a powerful tool for anyone looking to bring their visual ideas to life. As the model continues to develop and improve, we can expect even more innovative and stunning visual creations made possible by this remarkable AI partner. And that's a wrap on today's exploration of cutting-edge open-source large language models. From artistic AI companions to multilingual marvels, the future of creative and communicative AI looks brighter than ever. If you're as excited as we are about pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Your support fuels our journey into the fascinating world of AI innovations. Stay tuned for more tech insights and groundbreaking developments. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating.